Hi there, Mac here from Prestige Cars Kent. This is a quick video walk around of our 2019 Mercedes-Benz V250d Sport long wheelbase we have new in stock. This is a ULEZ compliant Euro 6 diesel vehicle. I'm just going to walk you through some of the optional and standard features on the van. To begin with, you've got the brilliant silver metallic paintwork. You've got the optional 19-inch 5 twin-spoke alloy wheels as well with the diamond turned finish. You've got some chrome trim on the exterior as part of your sport model inclusions, such as the front grille and trim on the rear. You've got roof rails on the top, privacy glass, LED tail lights and LED daytime running lights with the bi-xenon headlights as well. A full leather interior with leather seating for all 8 passengers. You've got 2 seats in the front, 3 seats in the second row and 3 seats in the rear row of the vehicle. You've got the panoramic glass roof above the third and second row of seating as a standard inclusion on all long wheelbase models. In the front of the car you've got lumbar support and heated seats for the driver and the passenger. Also, full electric folding exterior mirrors, your leather-wrapped multi-function steering wheel, where you've got access to cruise control on the left-hand side. You've got your COMAND online system on the centre console, with your touchpad and your dynamic driving modes, your climate control functions, ambient lighting, and your centre screen. On your centre screen, you've got access to your reversing camera and your DAB radio. If you would like any more information, would like to book a viewing or a test drive on this 2019 V250d Sport long wheelbase, please contact one of our sales team through the number provided at the end or inquire through our website.